Good morning, and today we're in Cartmel, beautiful property actually, just outside Cartmel, and we've got a K-Rend property to Softwash, and I'll show you what we're looking like. So you can see it's quite a bit of staining under the windows. See, some of that's going to be water runoff, so it's going to be interesting to see how that cleans up. So we've got this elevation on this side, all up there, really nice, very peaceful. We've got the garage to do over there. This little extension. And on this side, heat pump, and then this is obviously quite a lot of green algae on here. So we've got this to do, and then there's three sides of the garage. So this is a wildflower meadow here, really nice. So we finished this property now, and I'll show you what we're looking like. Oh, helicopter dropping in. So Sam's just putting a biocide under the window. There's some and again, we're not sure whether that's organic. We have explained that obviously once it's dried it will look different, so we're hoping that's going to clear. Put a couple of treatments on there, and we've said to the customer if for any reason it doesn't, then obviously we'll come back and sort it. But see, it's brightened it up here. Show you what we're looking there. And obviously it's still wet, but it's drying all the time. There's some mud staining down the bottom here. And this was very green at this area. Yeah. So about a week, 10 days should look its best, and Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please press the like button, and we'll see you on the next one.